That is his gray Mercedes in the garage.
Which apartment?
Unit 9. It's top floor, third from the right.
Cameras cover the garage. Should do this on the upper level.
This guy's got half a brain. He's gonna be cautious and armed.
If anyone walks into this, has an eye line, we board. No risks.
Hope you take the front steps. I'll take the back. You stay in case he gets by.
No, Hope. I'm gonna take the front.
Wait, Clay wanted it. It's about Hope jumping back in. No.
All right. Watch him. All right, I got your back in case he gets by you. Second this goes down, I'm in the car, motor running.
Okay.
Hey, relax, huh? Shit happens, man.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, Pop.
Because of your mistake, I had to sit down with Sam Crow. Made a deal with him, man. He's gonna start selling us guns.
That's good, man.
That happened because of you, okay? It's okay, man. Let's go get a churro. Catch you up on what we gotta do. Love you, mijo.
Thank you.